Jennifer's Tiny Kitchen Creations. And tonight I'm going to show you how to make a roasted chicken with gravy in a tiny kitchen. So what you'll need for this recipe is going to be a whole chicken, which I've been brining overnight in some salt, sugar, olive oil, and soy sauce and water. You don't have to do it, but I highly recommend it. And then I'm using a half a stick of butter and some various spices. So the first thing you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 350, and you need to cook your chicken for 20 minutes per pound. I've got 6 pounds here, so I'm going to cook it for 2 hours. Then I'm going to dump the brine out of my chicken, butter up my pan. I kind of pat him down. I like to spray them with butter so that the seasonings stick. Now we'll just season it up. A little bit. We're just going to cut this in pieces and just kind of top it on the chicken here so that way it'll melt down. So when we make our gravy, all we're going to need for that is you're going to need some cold water, some cornstarch, and your drippings that you get. You can use a little bit of drippings, or you can be like me and use all of the drippings, which is so good. So the oven just beeped, so we're going to put our chicken in. And again, 20 minutes per pound, we're going to cook ours for 2 hours. So our timer beeped, and we have pulled the chicken out, and this is what we have. It is cooked all the way through, internal temperature of 165 plus, so it looks like it is done. Moved him over to this tray. Now we're going to pour this juice into a pan and make gravy with it. Okay, so now that I've poured that in, you can see all of my drippings here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it over to the stove and I'm going to start heating it, and I'm going to put some cold water and some cornstarch with it to thicken it and make more of it. And really just kind of just throw in some cornstarch here. You have a tablespoon or so at a time, maybe a little bit more, tablespoon and a half. And I'm just going to mix it with cold water. Dissolved in here. And we're going to take this and we're just going to pour this into the drippings. Please test it once it's been boiling to see if it tastes good. Very good. Gravy is ready. All right, time to try this. It's so tender, it's falling apart over here. Just my gravy. Amazing. So good. There you go. That is how you make a roasted chicken with gravy in a tiny kitchen. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to see more videos from me in my tiny kitchen.